Hey guys, good morning and welcome back again to my YouTube channel. So, it's been a while. I didn't upload. Yan, swerte. Pampaswerte. Anyway, it's been a while that I didn't upload any videos. I think I just checked my YouTube channel and it's been a month. I didn't upload videos on my YouTube channel. So, I'm very busy guys working on my online business. That is why I can't upload any videos. I don't really have enough time to work on my YouTube channel. But anyway, today I do have a little bit of time, so I use this time to film so that I can upload videos on my YouTube and I can still keep going on my YouTube channel. Anyway guys, in today's video, it's a very short video. I just want to update about skincare. Why do people keep on telling me like, oh really, you're 30 years old but you don't look like 30, you look like 24 years old, you look like 23 years old. That's what most people say, but the truth is I'm already on my 30s, and yes, I'm almost out of the calendar soon. But then look, with this face, I don't really look 30 years old, and I'm very very glad for that. Like, it's a good compliment to get from other people, guys. Anyway, I will start doing my skincare. I will just reveal my skincare, what I use every day, every night. Okay, anyway guys, I have this new skincare. This is very trending in TikTok, so I tried this one, and I'm very thankful because my skin is very sensitive, and then when I use this one, I'm very thankful because it doesn't irritate my skin at all. This one is Miss Chung Glassy Skin, a facial facial foam. It says here facial foaming cleanser. Guys, it's really refreshing, and it can massage your face. It's very nice. You can avail this one on online TikTok shop under Miss Chung shop. Just search this one, Miss Chung, and then you can avail this one. I think this is only like 149, and good for sorry, good for like 1 month, and it smells really good. And after you use this one, your face is very soft. Your face is very soft, guys. And then they also have a toner for this, but I didn't avail the toner because I prefer to use my toner, because this one is my toner since I was in high school, guys. In high school, so I always use this one. This papaya eskinol. It's really good for this papaya eskinol. Hiyang na kasi ako dito, guys. So I'll just use this one. I don't use any toner. I already use other toner like Rosmar brand. I like the toner of Rosmar brand kasi icing kasi siya. May cooling effect talaga siya, guys. It's raining. Sorry for the noise. And I've been doing this one. This is skincare since high school. So if I do my skincare, guys, I'll do it from head to toe, almost head to toe. From face until legs. Face until legs. And anyway, after that, so, diba, still may dirt pa din. And I'll also have this serum, facial serum under Miss Chung still. Under Miss Chung brand. And this is really good. It says here glassy skin facial serum helps even out the skin tone, moisturizes dry skin, reduces skin blemishes. 30 ml siya, guys. And medyo matagal na rin naman siyang gamitin, guys. Ayan. Para siyang ganyan yung atake, yung ano niya, packaging ng kanyang. Konti lang ilagay nyo para tipid kayo. Just like me. Yan lang yung nilalagay ko. And then, just put all over your face. And, massage is gentle. Massage gentle, you know. Mayroon lang po, guys. Ayan. And, ayan. Ayan siya. And then, if ever may pimple ako, guys, like, if nagkaka-pimple ako, kasi, I don't really have enough sleep, kasi, because I work so hard, you know. And, kapag nagkaka-pimples ako, meron din akong pang fight ng pimple. Yun pa din yun, yung Skin Mate. Yung Skin Mate, I will use that for like 2 to 3 days, and then, nakikita mo, magda-dry up na yung iyong pimple. Magda-dry up na yung inyong pimple. So, ayan siya. Guys, super ganda niya. And if you can see, meron akong dark spots dito ng pimple. Kasi nagkaroon ako nung last week. And then, nilagyan ko lang siya ng Skin Mate. And ayun, nag-dry up na siya. Next na gagawin natin, guys, is I also use this Warada lotion. Iba-iba yung brand na ginagamit ko, guys. Ayan, Warada lotion. I like this one kasi ano na siya, very cheap. Very cheap siya, guys, and 3 for 149. At saka marami na siya, guys. Marami na kasi siya, then sulit na sulit. Sulit na sulit. Kung sa nagtitipid ka talaga, pwede ka na dyan. Kung nagtitipid. Just like me, nagtitipid. Diba? And super bango niya. Super bango niya, guys. Meron siyang flavor na papaya, milk, and strawberry. Super bango niya. Sulit na sulit siya. Sulit na sulit. Ayan. And also, I using this Rosmar product naman. I'm using Rosmar product. This one, the underarm cream, whitening cream, underarm. This is under Rosmar product. Rosmar Kagayaku underarm whitening cream. Guys, this one smells melon. Ayan, smells melon. And ang dami niya talagang laman. for only 200 plus. Ang dami na siyang laman, guys. Nilalagay ko lang siya sa kilikili ko. Binababad ko siya. Overnight ko siya, guys. And also, I put this one sa singit-singit sa puwet. It's almost I put this one all over my body. Kasi pampaputi siya, guys. And gusto kong pumuti some parts of my body kasi. Kaya ko siya nilalagay. Ganyan lang siya, guys. Lalagay nyo lang siya sa kilikili nyo. Medyo pumuti na yung kilikili ko dito, guys. Kasi compared dati, maitim yung kilikili. Hindi siya maitim. Kumbaga meron lang siyang mga chicken pox gawa ng lagi akong nagbubunot dati. But today nagpapa-wax na ako para iwas iwas trabaho. Pag magbunot ka pa. Iwas trabaho, nadagdag naman sa gastos, diba? Ayan. Guys, nilalagay ko rin to sa singit-singit ko, mga ganon. And then, nilalagay ko din to sa may puwit. Nilalagay ko rin siya sa may puwit ko, guys. Kasi pampaputi siya. And, nagbabaka sakali lang ako na baka pumuti yung kilikili natin. Also, sa may siko. And then, sa tuhod. Ganun. And also, guys, I'm also using some gummies. Yung gummies. Eto, wait lang. Papakita ko sa inyo. Ayan guys, the last na ginagamit ko guys is, ito bago ko lang to ginagamit. Ayan, glutathione. Glutathione biode. Ano pangalan? Biode. Biode glutathione gummies. Ginagamit ko to guys. I use this one. Bago ko lang to ginagamit, tinetake. It says here, it's good for natural and antioxidant, anti-aging support, skin whitening, freckle, and wrinkle removal. 60 gummies dietary supplement na siya. So guys, this one can help you for good sleep kasi I'm always lacking of sleep kasi, diba? Then, it can help you blooming, glowing, whitening, and then you wake up like, gigising ka nang napaka-glow mo talaga. And you can only take this one. I recommend to take this one guys, like, before you go to sleep at night. Kasi, aantukin ka talaga. I think better to eat these gummies at night rather than in the morning. Kasi, pag in the morning, baka antukin ka and you go to work, something like that. And it's not good. Kaya better if nighttime nyo siyang kakainin. And, 2 gummies every night. So, I do this one, 2 gummies every night. And then, siya, yung flavor niya guys is strawberry. Ayan, ganyan siya. Ayan. Yung flavor niya is strawberry. And, I'll take this one later before I go to sleep. Ayan guys, I think, meron to guys sa may Watson. But, sa Watson kasi mahal siya, like 350 pesos. So, I only bought this one online in TikTok. Pero make sure na FDA approved yung pagbibilhan nyo guys. If bibili kayo ng online. Okay? So, this one is FDA approved. And, wala naman siyang, safe naman siya. So, I only got this one for like 179. Sa TikTok lang kayo guys bumili. Sale sila ngayon. Kaya, ayan. Grab yours na masarap siya and makakasya talaga siya. Siguro for 1 month, you can see the transformation. You can see the effect na rin siya for 1 month. So, we'll see. I'll be back to you guys in 1 month if there is an effect for me for this. Okay? But, so far so good for 1 week. May nakita naman na akong effect niya. So, ayan guys. Get this one. Try this one. Alright. And thank you so much guys. I think for the lips, I'm using meron akong ginagamit sa lips guys. Pero yung lip therapy siya, ganun. Yun yung ginagamit ko. And, wait lang. I'll show you. This one guys. I use this one for lips. Ayan. I use this one for lips. The lip therapy. Super dami na kasi nito guys. As in, super dami na. Good for 1 year nyo na siya magagamit. Ganyan yung kanyang, ang cute. Ang cute ng kanyang packing. Diba? Ang container. And then, meron siyang spatula na maliit. Then, you can just do like this. Ayan guys. This one is in the shade of peach. In the shade of pink peach guys. Ayan, ganyan lang ako maglagay guys. And that's all for today's video guys. Yun yung mga skincare ko. Ang dami, diba? So you can see, ang dami kong skincare. And those are my secrets. Why do I look young? Why do people don't believe that I'm already on my 30s? You know? It's a good compliment talaga na it's really a good compliment that they don't really believe that I'm 30. You know? So, see you guys next time, and I hope you guys subscribe and share this video if you like. And I will try my best to keep on uploading. Nag-update ako for my WH kasi I don't want to lose my YouTube channel. I put effort on it to get monetized. So, kaya I keep on working for my YouTube channel, guys. So, I hope I can reach 10K subscribers and I can upload more. I try my best. Okay? Thank you guys, and I'll see you again in my next video. Bye-bye!